In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send statements in Xero. Whether you're sending monthly statements to your clients or need to send a detail of transactions, this process will streamline your financial communications with ease. Let's get started. First, we begin by going to the Xero website. You can simply open your preferred web browser and type in xero.com. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner for the login button. This is your access point to enter the Xero world. Give it a click and enter your login credentials. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself on the Xero homepage. On your homepage, direct your attention to the top menu bar and locate the Contacts option. Clicking on Contacts will guide you to a list of all your customer and supplier contacts stored within Xero. Next, search for all contacts on this page. Once you spot it, click on it to view the comprehensive list of each contact available in your system. When you have your list of contacts, browse through to find the specific contact you wish to send a statement to. This could be a regular client or a new customer, depending on your business requirements. Once you've identified the contact, click on their name to open their contact page. Within your contact's profile, look for the vertical dots option positioned at the top right corner of the page. This menu offers a set of actions you can perform for that specific contact. Click on these vertical dots to reveal these options. From the drop-down list, look for and select Send Statements. Upon selecting Send Statements, you'll be prompted to choose a statement type and specify the date range for the transactions you want to include. Pick a range that best suits your need, whether it's the current month, last month, or a custom period. It's essential to ensure that all details represented in the statement are accurate and reflect the agreed terms with your contact. Next, take a thorough review of the statement. Carefully check that all transactions, balances, and pertinent details are correctly displayed. This review is critical in ensuring your business maintains clear and precise communications with your clients. Finally, once you're satisfied that everything is in order, you have two options to send your statement. You can either click on email to have Xero deliver the statement directly to your contact's inbox. Alternatively, if you prefer to handle it manually, you have the option to download it as a PDF. You can then attach it to an email and send it yourself, and there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can efficiently send statements using Xero, keeping your financial communications organized and professional. Thank you for watching and happy accounting.